I started my job first in Hyderabad and then I got transferred to Bangalore. I was constantly transferred to other places from Bangalore. So I resigned from that job. I had saved some money, so I decided to start my own business. That's how the journey of my business started. In 10 years, Hyderabad had developed rapidly. That's when I took the decision of setting up my business in Hyderabad. I acquired 2 to 3 additional shutters for my showroom, and in 10 years we bought 6 shutters. My business was doing well. After 2010, the market was low. There was an influx of malls in Hyderabad. My business started deteriorating. My overhead cost increased, and I had to pay salaries. I had to pay the rent. I had to pay the electricity. My expenses had increased. I borrowed funds from the bank, and it was difficult to meet these costs. All the employees who had depended on me for 10 years still work for me. I wanted to shut my business, and I wanted to give my place for rent. I was looking for an alternative. I remember then that some of the customers would show me online prices for my products and asked if I could match the prices. I noticed this and thought that even I should give online business a try. Everyone was talking about Snapdeal. I got in touch with Snapdeal and they helped me with the process. I was not very comfortable with computers. I found it really tough. I never thought I will get well versed with the medium. Even when my father asked me to take a computer course, I never took it and spent the money. I decided to take the chance. I realized that if so many people have managed, then why can't I? I stayed awake an entire night to understand the aspects of online business. I found it really easy and thought to myself, I can do it. Within a week of starting the online business, we had sold 250 DVDs. I was encouraged, as I had never sold more than 250 products, neither in a week nor in a month. I invested in stocks to get more business from Snapdeal. I invested in more brands. Earlier I was dealing in 4 to 5 brands, but now I had 7 to 8 brands. Since I needed a bigger platform, I need more stocks. This way I expanded my product range. We had a small space of 3,000 square feet, but now we needed a bigger space. So we moved to a space of 10,000 square feet. Compared to my offline sales last year, my sales have doubled this year through online business. For example, I sold 10 products a day in offline, but now I sell 20 products a day through the online medium. Tying up with Snapdeal Plus has proved to be very useful. Snapdeal has provided a space where we can store our products. We send our products to them, and when the customer places an order, it gets packed and delivered directly from Snapdeal's warehouse. My overhead costs have not increased at all. I only had to invest in more inventory space. I have hired a computer professional. My employees have been working with me for 15 years now, and my turnover has doubled. Earlier, my market was limited to Hyderabad. After adopting the e-commerce route, my products are sold across the country. I receive nearly 2 to 3 orders every day from different states. I aim to do well for myself. I have achieved that aim, but I can do better. Across Hyderabad, many businessmen have followed my footsteps and have come online. I know that I only have to sell quality products to my customers at the right price. Now I do not worry about malls and my competitors. Most of my problems are solved and I am in a good position. I aim to make a higher profit and I know that I can achieve this goal.